someone early on is going to get sloppy, they're going to get eliminated.
I kind of just want to start pushing people into the red circle.
I know. Imagine.
All right, what do you think's about to happen?
Started physical, gotta go mental.
I feel like there's gonna be something psychological.
Something more mental. Connect 4 on fire.
Connect 4 on fire is a mental game plan?
Yeah.
Are you guys ready for what's next? Yeah! Switch the floor to black. The circle is no longer red, which means you can all stand on it. I need all of you to stand on the circle around the edge. 26 of you remain. That number's about to drop quite a bit. Change the floor. For game number 2, you get to decide between playing a strong game or a smart game. So if you step in this half, you're locked into a game of strength. But if you step into this half over here, you'll be locked into a game of smarts. This is all up to you. Are you a strong celebrity or are you a smart celebrity?
I don't know what I would do.
I feel like I'm both. I